Hey everyone, I got a new lock today. It's an American lock. I went to a lock shop and I was trying to get an 1100 series, but they were all out. And all I had was the 10 series. It's pretty much the same thing except for the body is different shape, really. It's not really too much difference, so I got this. Here's the key to it. It's key retaining. Alright, I'm going to pick it using top of the keyway tension and a short round hook. Oh, that was fast. I really was hoping this would put up more in a fight than that. Yeah. Well, anyways, yeah, I got a question on this lock. See, it's supposed to be able to be rekeyed. And, I noticed in there, it's not like, threaded for a screwdriver or an Allen key. It's more like a rivet. So if anyone has a suggestion on how to get this apart to Series 10, yeah, any suggestions would be appreciated. So until next time, peace.